Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another daily gardening with Stacy. It is so hot, guys. It is so hot. I have a lot to get done in the garden today. It seems like there's a lot going on in the garden, but my vision, I'm not yet seeing it, guys. So I'm actually working on that. And it's a lot of work to put in and to get done, but I know the reward will surpass all of that. So I'm not concerned about the amount of work. I just need to get it done, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So basically today I will be topping up my containers with soil. Well, it's actually a two-in-one. The soil that I'm going to add, I'm mixing organic matter with it. So I'm amending and topping up at the same time. Of course, I'm not going to take you through all of the process, so you don't have to worry. All right, so I am actually hear the thunders, guys. So like it is going to rain. All right, so this is the garden soil. I have 2 bags right there, and this is the fortified organic matter. See, fortified organic matter. So look at these, guys. I have seed sown, because I mean business. All right, so what I'll be doing this, I'll be using half of this to one of this. Yes, so this 1 bag of fortified organic matter will be used for both bags. So half to this, half to this. Have to make my job easy, I know. So much easier up here. Seems as though it's really going to rain, So see the difference with the two? This is the organic matter and this is the garden soil. You can see how rich this looks. Very, very rich. Alright, so I'm just mixing them together. So yes, it's all mixed in and ready for my plants.
Yes, my recording.
So I am just going to use this bucket to make my life easier, to go a little faster. I am just going to show mosquito, guys. Whew. So I'm just going to show you just about 2 of the containers, how I will be going about it. And then I'll have to just take it on without you guys. So I'm gonna miss you. Alright, so let's get cracking guys. Alright, so for this container, for example, I had this broccoli in here trying to come from when. But it's not coming at all. It's not coming at all. So I have broccoli seeds sown. So I wish them all the best. All the best. So I'm just going to just till it a little. Like this. Just till it a little. I'm not trying to destroy my wiggly worms, you know. So guys, I actually did this one, you know. I didn't realize that the camera click off. I don't even know how. Maybe an insect passed by or a leaf. I don't know. I really don't know. Or I don't know if the phone got heated and it came off. But I'm just going to do this other one in your presence. Alright, so I'm just tilling it a little. Uh-oh. The marigold that I had inside here, I took it out because it had more dry leaves than green ones. So I just harvested the blooms and just take out the plant itself. With this, I believe, hear the thunder guys, with this I believe that the plants will do much better, much better. So that is where I'm leaving you for today guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and until tomorrow, walk good. So guys, it's actually raining, but I'm almost done, you know. I have like about about six containers I have leave. And now my plants are happy. Oh my, I forgot to open this barrel right here. The water start catch on here already. Let me see if I can get it to fall in. Ah! Okay. Yeah. Such a blessing.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.